Elegance redefined. Discover the collection.
Have you ever stopped scrolling because an ad looked so premium, it felt like a luxury brand commercial? Perfect lighting, flawless models, cinematic shots that feel straight out of a high-budget production. It looks like they spent thousands of dollars on that shoot, right? But here's the crazy part. Today, I'm going to show you an all-in-one AI platform called WeryAI. And in this video, I'm not just explaining features. I'll show you real use cases, especially for e-commerce, fashion brands, and content creators. Step 1. Chat section. I opened the chat section. Here's the prompt. Create a full marketing campaign idea for a luxury women's handbag brand. Include ad concepts, background styles, lighting setup, model poses, and short-form video ideas for Instagram and TikTok. I click Generate. And boom, within seconds, you get a complete strategy. Premium ideas, studio lighting setups, street-style concepts, even lifestyle scenes. This is super detailed, super useful, and honestly impressive. Step 2. Image generation. Now let's create visuals. I go to the Creation section arrow Image Generation. Here's the prompt. Ultra-realistic product photo of a luxury leather handbag placed on a modern studio setup. Soft shadows, clean background, high-end fashion photography, 4K quality. I select Nano Banana Pro. Text to image model comparison mode. Choose 3-set aspect ratio and generate. Now look at this. Wow, these images look clean, sharp, and ultra premium. Honestly, they feel like a real luxury brand shoot. You could directly use these for ads, Shopify store, Instagram. This is a huge upgrade in product presentation. Step 3. Image to image. Now let's enhance a real image. I upload a simple handbag photo. Prompt. Place this handbag on a stylish cafe table with natural sunlight. Add realistic shadows and create a lifestyle fashion advertisement look. Click Generate. And just look at this transformation. This is insane. From a basic image to a beautiful lifestyle ad. The lighting feels natural. The vibe feels premium. This is perfect for Instagram shops and branding. Step 4. Text to video. Now let's create a video. Prompt. A cinematic fashion advertisement of a luxury handbag. Model walking in a modern city. Slow motion shots, stylish outfit, natural lighting, premium brand feel. Set duration, resolution, generate. And here it is.
Elegance is a journey, not a destination. Introducing the new collection.
This looks so cinematic. Smooth motion, luxury feel, real brand vibes. Honestly, this feels like a professional ad campaign. Step 5. Image to video. Now I upload the handbag image. Prompt. Add smooth camera movement, subtle lighting transitions, and fashion style animation to create a premium handbag ad video.
Elegance redefined. Discover the collection.
And wow, the image is now alive. Smooth movement, elegant animation. This is perfect for reels, ads, and social media. Next, we have another amazing feature. Here you'll find inspiration templates, ready-made designs, and AI video effects that you can easily try out. There are many options available like AI photo effects and editor toolkits, so you can experiment and create something unique in just a few clicks. For example, if I go to the photo effects section and choose a template like interactive food portrait, I just need to upload my image and click on Create. And as you can see, it automatically generates a result based on that template. Now let's try another one. This time, I'll select the Morning Glow selfie template. Again, I upload my image, click on Create, and within seconds, you get a beautiful final result. And that's the real power of this AI tool. You can create stunning visuals using both photo effect templates and AI video effects without any editing skills. So definitely give it a try. So overall, WeryAI is like a complete creative studio in your pocket. No team needed, no expensive setup. Just ideas and execution. Whether you sell, bags outfits, or run a brand, this tool can help you. Save time, reduce cost, create premium content easily. If you want to try it yourself, the link is in the description. Go check it out and tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.